So what you want to be asking if you're starting a channel from scratch is, how can I tap into influence that's greater than my own? Most people think, I wish somebody famous would shout me out. I wish I could get a famous interview. Well, of course, that's one thing that would be helpful. And that's another reason why interviews are a great form of content. But people don't realize that products are influencers. One of the ways I grew my brand was I talked about particular camera models. You didn't know Sean Cannell yet. You knew you were looking for a review or comparison of the Canon 60D. You found that video. You saw that that was my experience, video, teaching how to use cameras, the best lenses. And then some level of connection happened there. And the influential thing was a search-based topic, was something that somebody was looking for. So I actually, starting a channel from scratch, and even for established creators that want to continue to grow, I would not ignore search-based content. In a suggested world, and I'll explain what that is briefly, but search-based content is actually kind of a forgotten art, and it's probably one of the biggest opportunities for people in 2024. But then the other option is suggested.